Okay, we made it to the top of Raging River, and there is just some, I'm hoping my new camera will capture this view. This is probably one of my favorite things to do, to climb up here. And this, like, I hope the camera does it justice, because it feels like top of the world. And then we've got Mount Rainier here. Like, wow! I was just saying to the camera, it's not going to do it justice probably, but what a great, I think we should flow. Right here, yep. All right. Slushy, snowy, but not for... Woo! Slickery! I haven't really had a snow bike this year, so I guess this is it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Get into dirt. Squishy dirt. I was like not muddy at all, and now I'm like all muddy, because up until this point it's not muddy. All right, what a view! Kyle's getting all the pump action here. Usually this is really, oh yeah, what a view. Look at where you're going, Jeff. Here we go. Just joy. What a fun experience. So the only other time you've seen this is in the fog.
Man, it actually looks so different downhill than up. I was like, are we going the right way for a second?
It didn't look that fun going up.
That part that was pretty steep when we were riding up, that was fun.
Yeah.
Blast down.
So good.